welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's start today's class with a quote. Umbrella can't stop the rain, but can make us stand in rain. In the same way, confidence may not bring success, but gives us power to face any challenge in life by APJ Abdul Kalam. Today I am going to teach you division of two polynomials. Let us see one example to understand division of two polynomials. Divide polynomial 2x cube plus x square plus x by the monomial x. You know how to divide two numbers. Suppose for example division of 7 by 5. How many times 5 will go in 7? 1 time. So 5 into 1 is 5. Subtract 5 from 7. What you will get the remainder? 2. In the same way we can divide the polynomials too. Here 7 is the dividend which we are dividing, that will become the dividend. With what we are dividing, that will become the divisor. Quotient, this is called quotient. This is the remainder, right? Now let us divide these two polynomials. Here we are dividing 2x cube plus x square plus x. So that will be the dividend. 2x cube plus x square plus x. With what we are dividing? X. So that will be the divisor. Here to get quotient, we have to divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So what we will get? 2x square we will get. That we have to write in the quotients place. X into 2x square, 2x cube. Subtract. Both will get cancelled. Now we have to bring down the other two terms. Now divide x square by x. What we will get? X. So we have to write that x in the place of quotient. X into x, x square. Now subtract. This both will get cancelled. We have to bring down the other term. Now divide x by x. We will get 1. That 1 you write in the place of quotient. Clear? Now multiply x with 1. X into 1 is x. Now subtract. We got the remainder 0. So now we got the remainder 0. That we can say x is the factor of this polynomial. Yes or not? So therefore 2x cube plus x square plus x by the monomial x is equal to whatever if it is a factor, the quotient will be the answer. Clear? So 2x square plus x plus 1 is the answer. Is this clear? Right. Let us see two more polynomials in which divisor is a linear polynomial. Here we have the binomial too. Clear? First, to divide any two polynomials, first we have to write those two polynomials in standard form. Standard form means we have to arrange all the terms in proper order. The degrees of the term should be in descending order. So, highest degree term to lowest degree term. Here the highest degree term is x square, 3x square plus x minus 1. And in this polynomial, the highest degree term is x plus 1. Now we got both the polynomials in standard form. Now in the same way how we done previously, polynomial by a monomial, in the same way we have to divide these two polynomials. Let us now, which one will become the dividend? P of x will become the dividend. 3x square plus x minus 1 is the dividend. Divisor is x plus 1. With what we are dividing, that will become the divisor. Now, to get the quotient, we have to divide first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So, we will get 3x. This 3x we have to write in the place of quotient. Now, multiply whole divisor with 3x. Multiply 3x plus 1 with 3x. X into 3x, 3x square plus 1 into 3x plus 3x. Now to subtract, change the signs. This both will get cancelled as plus 3x square minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3x will become plus x minus 3x will become 2x minus 2x. The other term we have to bring down as minus 1. Clear? Now divide minus 2x by first term of the divisor, that is x. If I divide, what we will get? Minus 2. That we have to write in the place of quotient. Right? Now multiply whole divisor with minus 2. Clear? Now x into minus 2, minus 2x plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now change the signs. Plus 1. Here minus is there, we have taken plus. Here also minus is there, plus we have taken. If it is plus, we have to take minus. Opposite signs we have to take. Now minus 2x plus 2x will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2 equal to plus 1 is the remainder. In this way, we can divide two polynomials. Here this is the quotient of the polynomial. This is the remainder of the polynomial. And this is the divisor, dividend. Here it is divisor. Is this clear? Right. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.